In this lesson, we'll cover printing our sheets. So we've created a sheet, we've placed views on our sheet, and now we're ready to print. So to print, let's go to the large R in the upper left, select it, hover over print and click the flyout to the right. You have three options for printing. Let's look at print setup first. When you click print setup, this will ask you to specify a printer, and you can specify a profile. You can set the paper size, the source, how you want the paper centered or offset, your zoom factors, your options for printing, landscape or portrait, your hidden line usage, and then your appearance settings. Again, you can save this as a profile if you want for later use. Click Cancel. Now let's go back to the large R again. Go to the print flyout, click Print. Now our printer will be listed on the very top, whatever printer we're printing to, plotter or printer. In the lower left, we could set our print range. What do we want to print? The current window, the visual portion of the window, or of all the sheets you created, which sheets do you want to print by selecting those? The options on the right can set the number of copies in the order of printing. If you click Setup under the Settings Default, here we can see the same screen we previously looked at for setting the print setup for the printer. Click Cancel. Now, if you wanted to print at this point, you would simply click OK. But for this lesson, we're just going to click Close. Now, if you wanted to do a print preview, click the large R in the upper left, hover over Print, click Print Preview. This would show you a preview based on the default settings in your print setup. If you wanted to print from here, you could click Print in the upper left. However, here, click Close. So as a review, in this lesson, we looked at printing. We looked at three things for printing. 1, printer setup, setting all the values and settings for our printer. 2, looking at the print menu on choosing what we want to print and how we want to print it. And 3, we looked at a print preview.